welcome back to our channel, and today we are making this Boss Baby Family Business pencil topper. So let's get started. First, you're going to start with a sheet of paper, any circle tracer, and a pencil. Then you just trace your circle tracer onto the paper and cut it out. Great! Now you're going to take a white or skin-colored piece of felt and take your tracer and trace on the tracer 2 times for the back and the front. Now, the front and the back of Boss Baby are ready. Now, on our white pieces of foam, we're going to start by drawing Boss Baby's face. First, we're going to draw his hair. First, we're going to draw basically this curved line on the top, and then another curved line that goes down, back up, and down again. Perfect! So now, his actual face is going to be about halfway down from the circle. So mark, it's a little estimate, just mark halfway down the circle, okay? Then you'll make eyebrows on either side of that. So you're going to make a curved line that goes down and back up again and down. And then on the other side, it's going to go down, up again, and back down. Now we're going to make his eyes right under his eyebrows. So you're just going to make a semicircle shape like this. So make a line and then a semicircle curve under it. A line and a semicircle curve under it. Then we're going to make his nose, which is just an easy little oval. And then his mouth, we're just going to draw a curve, a bump line, and a curve. Then we're going to connect the bottom of that curve right here so it creates a semicircle, and then just draw another little curve down here to make his lips. Baby looks so cute. He looks a bit grumpy because he is always very, very bossy. And sometimes Timothy Templeton gets a little bit annoyed with him. Time to color! The Bossy Baby is ready. I gave him some yellow hair, some brown eyebrows, I traced his hair in brown, and I gave his eyes a green shade, and I also traced his eyes with black, but I didn't get out that color. So, since Boss Baby's hair doesn't go all the way down to the end of his face, with a little brown marker, I'm just going to make a zigzag line to mark the end of his hair. Perfect. Now, I'm just going to color that in with some yellow. Yay! Boss Baby's face is 100% ready. He looks adorable and a little bit mischievous. Then you'll take a pencil topper and a thin strip of paper, as long as you want Boss Baby's body. Boss Baby's body will be this big for me. How much longer will it take to finish the video? Just a little bit. I'm almost done with it. The remaining steps are pretty simple. Just put your pencil top onto the pencil, glue on your body, and then glue on your head, and you're done. The Boss Baby pencil topper is ready for use. Now you can put it on any pencil that you want. Oh, Boss Baby, you look so cute. Now this is ready to be used, and you can take it to the theater if you're going to watch Boss Baby 2. So now I'll just write. Subscribe to our channel. That delicious craft.